Hey guys, welcome back again. Currently on Step Index. Mm, yes. So, as you can see here, the rejection from here. It is currently a trend on a day, but it might retest again. So I took a trade here because of this candle, the sign of reversal. That's why I took a trade. It's simple. It's really simple. You can grow small accounts 10 or $20 on step index. It's currently 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm still trading out. As you can see, the price is rejecting from lower end here. Yep, I might out. I have to out. Yes, man. Cool. It's enough, man. Trading is just simple, man. Good night.